So you want to learn Figma. Did you know there are many free great resources out there? I started learning Figma over a month ago, and in that process I reviewed tens of articles, many videos, and took 3 paid courses. Now here's a roadmap I'd recommend for complete newbies. First, start by watching and following along with one or more of these videos. Now you need to exercise those Figma muscles, recreate a popular website and app like I did Airbnbs. Once you've practiced, try to get a little bit more advanced. I'd recommend this Udemy course. It's going to dive a bit into the more complicated topics such as auto layout, constraints, variants, variables for color, text, and other interface elements. Personally, after this, I felt I knew enough as a SaaS entrepreneur to move on. However, if you want to work as a UX and UI designer, I'd recreate a few more websites, drill down on the advanced topics to improve your efficiency and to improve your organization and documentation. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful.